Hi, in this video I will show you how to make data entry process more efficient. First let me show you how we normally enter data and why it is inefficient. So let me begin by entering few values here. Now in order to move from item to the units field, I will use right arrow key because if I press enter it will take me to this cell downwards. But I want to move to the right cell, so I need to use right arrow key here. Similarly, again right arrow key for moving to the next cell to the right. And here after entering another value, I will use right arrow key again to move to the total field. Now I'm going to enter a formula here to multiply these two values to get the result. Now after pressing enter key, it has taken me to the next row. This is the normal behavior of enter key, right? And now again, I need to use left arrow key multiple times to move to the first field, that is item. But we can avoid this, avoid doing this. When we enter formula here, we can use control enter key to stay in the same cell, and then press Control and left arrow key to move to the item field quickly. We can jump to the item field directly from the total field using Control and left arrow key. So here is a technique, like instead of pressing enter key, press Control enter key to stay in the same cell, and then use Control and left arrow key to move to the item field. But this is again not very efficient. Okay, I will show you in better ways. So the first thing is that we are using a lot of arrow keys. Okay, arrow keys multiple times. So first thing is that we can avoid that. For that, we need to go to File, go to Options, and then Advanced. Here we need to change this behavior of Enter key. It says after pressing Enter key, move selection down. So that is why when we press Enter key, it takes us to the next cell downwards. But here we can change the direction to right. Okay, now let us try to enter a new record. Now I'm pressing enter key and it is taking me to the right cell instead of the cell down. Okay, so it has become a bit more efficient. And here I can press Ctrl D to copy the formula from the above cell. Okay, no need to type another formula. And again, I need to press Ctrl left arrow key and then down arrow key, because now I cannot press enter key. It will take me to this cell if I press enter key here, because we just made that setting. Okay. Now, what happens is that if I keep on pressing enter key, it will take me to the next column always. But I want it to move to the next row. For example, if I press enter key here, it should take me to this cell instead of this cell. So for that, we need to make another change. And that is, we need to convert this range to a table. How we do that? Select any cell within this range and then press Ctrl T. Control T is the shortcut key to convert a range to a table. Now it has selected this entire range, but we want to extend it so that we can add more data to it. And keep it checked because our table, our range has headers. So I will keep it checked and click OK. Right, so this has been converted to a table. Now let me show you how it helps. I'm going to add another record. Now I'm going to press enter key to move to the cell to the right. Then add another value, press enter key. Enter key again. And here for tables, we have another advantage. Let me show you. If I add a formula here and press enter key, it will be copied to all the rows in the table. Okay, so you need not write or copy the formula again and again. So you can see that it has now become very convenient. Now if I press enter key, it stays within the table. It is not going beyond the total column. It will make it even more efficient. So these are the few techniques that you can use to make your data entry very efficient. I hope you like this video, and for more such useful videos, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. The channel is by the name IT Mistake. Thanks for watching.